Alright, this is my 2020 bike check. Got a new bike. Starting off at the top, we got BSD Forever grips, Bruno Hoffman V2 bars, 8.75 rise, and somebody cut them down to who knows what. Madeira mast stem. Whatever headset has no cap, but it works. Colt IC forks, investment cast forks. Primo Churchill 2.45 tires. Odyssey Antigram front hub. Odyssey Hazard light rim and toothpaste. I have a Stranger Zia frame. 20.75, really responsive. 75.5 head tube and 12.8 rear end. It's fucking twitchy as fuck. Stranger seat, tripod. This is gonna go here soon. I'm not a fan of this. Kink pedals, Redline monster cranks. Those are going too, along with this shitty ass fit sprocket. Merit chain. I don't know what bottom bracket. And then Primo Churchill and 2.45. And then Antigram rear hub and a Hazard light rim and toothpaste. But pretty nice bike. Just gotta fix a few things and then she'll be super fucking solid.